Hey everybody,
Hi.
just wanted to do this video today to kind of show one of the ways we're trying to stay sane and relax during quarantine and everything crazy going on generally in the world. So we've been really trying to prioritize spending time in nature with each other off of social media. And so, one way that we're doing that is just finding spots really close by. Today, we're just set up on Northwestern's campus where I'm finishing up my MBA, and neither of us have a car here. So, this spot is just a quick, 10-minute walk from my apartment. And a lot of times we like to do like a fancy meal, but today we just wanted to prioritize getting out of the house sooner than later because we were feeling a little more anxious than normal. So today we just have leftovers, just like what we had, leftover Indian food. It's just something we ordered the other day. Just threw it in the oven in a glass container, threw it in a Target bag with some foil. This is like a chicken gravy sauce I made the other day with rice, and just like pretty basic. We usually have food,
Kindles,
Kindles, a blanket,
hand sanitizer, and chapstick.
hand sanitizer and chapstick. Usually some herbal refreshments, which is pretty chill here in Illinois.
Something else that we've been trying to consider when we choose our picnicking spots is places where we feel like we can maintain social distancing without it being just like really stressful or disturbing to us that people are not keeping social distancing. So although here in Evanston right now, we're just a few blocks away from the beautiful Lake Michigan and a lot of really cute spots along the beach. A lot of the time we've just been coming to Northwestern's campus a little further in from the lake because it's not crowded and it's still like a really cute spot where we can sit in the grass and like trees and just feel more relaxed.
Obviously, a lot of this is dependent on us being able to be in an area where we can just like find the space, which is definitely not the case for everybody. So, want to acknowledge that. I think for us, it's just been, trying to find these grassy spaces that are they're not necessarily recreation spots, but they are open to the public, versus like the beach or the lakes, the lakefront or the parks on the beach are still, even though they're outdoors, are like kind of hectic and really packed with folks who are all doing a different level of social distancing. So just wanted to check in and show you like some stuff that we're doing. It can be pretty bare bones. Again, like Kindle, maybe like a fun hobby. Right now I'm learning how to tie knots or getting better at knots for our upcoming camping trips. So just want to, encourage everyone to heat up some leftovers and just find a little plot somewhere. It's been helpful for us, I think, for our sanity.